So let's learn how to solve an equation involving absolute value in this form. Absolute value of quantity that I call capital X equal to a number A. If the number A is negative, then this equation doesn't have a solution, because we know that the absolute value of quantity is represent a distance, so it's a positive number. So um, the possible solution to this equation are given by solving these two quantity equal A or quantity equal minus A. So let's try to understand why. Okay. So we said that we have the absolute value is a distance. So you have suppose we are given a number A positive, and we are looking for possible values, capital X, so that the distance to the origin is A exactly. So one of them directly we see it is this one. This one will be a possible solution. Okay. So using capital X equal A at this position will be a solution, because the distance of the absolute value of X to the origin will be exactly A. Another possibility is the point X located at minus A, because this distance is exactly also the distance is equal to A. So and X taking X equal minus A will be also a solution. So that's why we are writing these two possibilities. So let's do an example. Solve. So we want to solve the equation X minus 6 equal minus 1. So here, the left side absolute value is distance, should be positive or equal 0. The left side is strictly negative, impossible. Okay, no solution. So we cannot have any point. Let's solve an example involving, for example, minus 5x plus 6, okay, equal to. So yes, this is my capital X for me. It's my quantity. So I will just apply what I found here. So the possibilities are such that minus 5x plus 6 equal 2, or minus 5x plus 6 equal minus 2. Okay, so now I have two linear equation. The unknown is x. I know how to solve them. So the idea is to isolate x by writing the numbers one side and the variables one side. So I need to add both sides the opposite of 6, which is minus 6, 2 plus minus 6, or you have minus 5x plus 6 minus 6 equal minus 2 plus minus 6. Okay, so this gives me then minus 5x, okay, equal here minus 4, or minus 5x equal, so here the two terms are cancelled, so we will get here minus 8. Finally, the possible solutions are x equal 4 over 5, or x equal minus 8 over minus 5, which is 8 over 5. So those are my two possible solutions. Okay, let's do one more situation. What if I am given to solve this equation 2 times absolute value 1 minus x plus 5 equals 7. Here again, it doesn't seem that I have exactly this pattern, but I can bring myself to this situation by working on my expression. Okay, so I can first write the constant, to group the constants on one side. So you will have 2 times absolute value 1 minus 6 equal 7 minus 5, which is 2. And here I can divide by 2. Okay, to simplify by 2, then I have 1 minus x equal 2 over 2, which is 1. 2 over 2 equal 1. And then I am here in this situation. So I have either 1 minus x equal 1 or 1 minus x equal minus 1. This one will give me uh, uh, so minus x equal 1 minus 1, that means x equals 0, or I will have x minus x equal minus 2, that is x equal 2. Okay, so I have those two possible solutions. Now, okay, now let's explore the following situation. We have another possible pattern. What if I have now to solve the following? I have the absolute value of a quantity equal to absolute value to another quantity. Okay, so let's say A is parameter that can change signs, or so then we the answer is for that is that x equal A or x equal the opposite. We can see that clearly using the line and the distance. Okay, so here is the origin. I'm looking for all the quantities x that have a distance to the origin equal to this number. Absolute value of A is positive. Okay, it's positive number. So the same reasoning apply here. Either I have an x here, okay, or at the opposite of absolute value, because here I will have exactly the distance absolute value. So the distance here is equal to absolute value of x. So an x here would be also a solution. So this is how we will do it. Let's see an example. Suppose that I have to solve absolute value of 3x equal absolute value of 5x minus 2. Okay, so here you see I have exactly this situation. This is my first quantity, capital X. This is my second quantity, capital E. Okay, so let's write things. So it will be either 3x. Let's write down, I think. Yes. So it will be either 3x equal 5x minus 2 or 3x equal the opposite of the second quantity. And then the same, we have a linear equation to solve, which we know how to do it. We'll group the x's, so 3x minus 5x equal minus 2 or 3x. So here, if you developed your expression, it's minus 5x plus 2. So it will give us 5x equal 2. Okay, so we will have then minus 2x equal minus 2 or 8x equal 2, which gives us then x equal 1 minus 2 over 2 or x equal 1 over 4. Okay, 2 over 8. Okay. So let's do one more equation. So suppose now that we have to solve the following. Yes, find x so that the absolute value of 3x is 2 times x minus 1. So looking at this equation doesn't doesn't look like this one. I have this factor 2. Okay, it's not this one also. So to eliminate this, we will use properties of absolute value. We know that the absolute value of alpha times beta is equal to absolute value of alpha times absolute value of beta. So this is what I will use. For me, 2 is also equal to absolute value of 2 because 2 is positive. So this expression is exactly absolute value of 2 times x minus 1, which I can write equal absolute value of 2 times x minus 1. And like that, I have to solve an equation of this kind, which gives me 3x, the possibility 3x equal to times x minus 1, or 3x equal to the opposite, minus 2 of x minus 1. Okay, and here now I need just to work on my equations of first degree. So I have here 2x minus 2, or 3x equal minus 2x plus 2. Then regroup the x's, so I will have 5x equal minus 2, or here then 5x equal 2. From which we deduce that we have, okay, the possibilities that x equal minus 2 over 5. Sorry, here I did a mistake here. Here we have x, 3x minus 2x is x. Here you have 5x, okay? So let's conclude now. So the conclusion is that x is either, yes, is minus 2, or x is equal to over 5. Okay, so now, yes, we know how to solve an equation in those two forms where the absolute value is involved.